Pottery newbie, don't know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna give it a shot. Look, the main takeaway from all this is, honestly, folks, this was all way under $300 and probably a day's worth of work to get it all set up. So this bench took less than 30 minutes to build. I had a bunch of the scrap, but even if you buy it, like you're in maybe $50. This thing was under $200, and you really don't need a sink. So I thought it'd be a really expensive hobby to pick up. I'd have to buy a couple $1,000 wheel. I'd have to get a kiln and all of this, and I realized, hey, I can get my pots fired for $20. I can buy a wheel for a couple of $100 that's going to do me just fine. I can sit on old crates, and I could build my benches and stuff from scrap wood. And I'm getting my clay in these I want to say 25-pound blocks for like $20. It's fantastic. So all in under $300, and a day's worth of work. I'm up and running. I'm throwing pots. I've got tools. I've got a place to work, and I'm doing what I haven't done in probably 15 years, and exposing my kiddos to it too. It's been a blast. Much easier than I would have expected. I highly encourage anybody to do it, and you really don't have to be that handy to kind of get any of this going. You probably, if you can find a couple of feet of space, you can get going on the cheap. Hey folks, thanks for watching, and please subscribe. I'm going to post a bunch of videos describing each part of the studio, and I'll post some throwing videos. And if you have any tips or tricks or advice, please share, and thanks again for watching.